Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a Hobonichi daily plan of me. I don't think I've done too many daily plan with me's, so I definitely wanted to go on here. Kind of used last year as like a mock planner, so the dates are gonna be wrong, so don't mind that. Today we're gonna go with a purple spread. I don't know why, I was just feeling the purple vibes today, so I also brought out some washi that matches, and then really pretty colors for our tombow here. Let's get started. And I also wanted to share my personal productivity tips. My schedule is like kind of wonky. I just realized I also have a lot more purple washi. So Kuromi is my favorite Sanrio character, and I just got this in Korea. I haven't opened it yet, but look how pretty these washi tapes are. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm only gonna use the full boxes and the deco, but I just ate. Okay, so let's get started. I just ate, and I think I ate too much. My stomach hurts, but that's okay. I'm going to double up some of these full boxes. I like to be decorative first because I never know like where I want to go with whatever stickers I'm using. I could be using a journaling sampler or journaling kit. I love this checkered washi. I'm gonna use it here, or I don't know, should I use the Kuromi washi? It's so cute too. I kind of want to. Okay, let me put it at the bottom here. It's so cute. Okay, and then I'm going to use some deco. I love deco. Love, love, love. I'll just put deco like anywhere. I'm gonna use a felt tip pen for the Hobonichi planners. The pages are pretty thin, so it doesn't absorb ink very well. So whenever I use my gel pens or like a calligraphy pen, it takes forever for it to set, and I always end up smudging it. For felt tip, the ink absorbs immediately. So on this day, I woke up at 2:30. My schedule is very, very strange, and currently I am waking up very, very early. So my first productivity tip I have is that I usually time block my days. So after I wake up, I kind of have, I eat. So I typically eat for like half an hour to an hour. Usually work until the morning time. So about like 4 to 5 hours is like my first shift. And that's kind of like when I start getting tired. And I usually like to take a break. My second productivity tip is to know when you are most like when your willpower is the highest. So when I wake up, I'm usually the most alert, do more tasks that are harder for me to do. My next tip is to have highlights in the day. At least 3 is pretty good. The things you have to get done that day, and you're just really gonna focus on getting those things done. Essentially, 1 is kind of like work related, 2 is house related, and 3 is social. And I'm gonna put my micro planning over here. gonna go and do something similar here. Hey guys, I am done with the spread. I think it turned out so cute. I really hope you guys like how this turned out, and let me know if you try out a similar spread. So yeah, catch you guys next time. Bye everybody.